Welcome back to 383 Garage. Please subscribe if you like what you see.
Right, afternoon folks. Time for me to get rid of this mint factory black dash. It's so fucking perfect, look at it. Alright, steering wheel's off. Just gotta get up there and do the screws from under here. Then I'm gonna get the screws just down the bottom here and up there, there and there, down there and there. Alright, got those screws out. Now I'm going to get these screws out here with a special screwdriver. Hopefully that'll work. Yeah, it'll work. Alright, glove box is out now. And I'm just going to get up in there. I can't really see. But there's bolts in here somewhere. I can't really see the camera. Somewhere in there, there's bolts. And bolts in around the back. Alright, I've got all the bolts out that I can see. Have a look at my new dash to see where all the bolts are. So at this point, I believe I have all the dash bolts out. Touch wood. Still fighting with it. A couple of minutes later, do a time delay. All right, I got it out. The dash was absolutely ruined anyway, so I broke that one, broke that one. I think I broke that one up there, which I've already got the screw out. Allegedly. So, I guess we'll find out, won't we? So, yeah, that's what it looks like without the dash pad. I probably should clean all this dust off it, shouldn't I? Alright. Dash is out, but I haven't showed you yet, but I found this behind the steering wheel. I was kind of hoping maybe it was like something important. But there's sheep on road. You can't half tell that that's a rural vehicle. On the other side there's other random bits and pieces. Not that it matters, but yes, some random bit of address. It's amazing what you find. Got to be in the address to find Harold Holt's body or something, wouldn't it? Who knows? I'll eat around. Alright, I'm going to time lapse a quick clean of the dash pad. Or not the dash pad, the dash area. And I'll be with you. There you go, much cleaner. I ended up using this stuff that I picked up years ago. I don't think you can buy it on the shelf, I'm not sure, but I managed to get like a shitload of it for free, and it's handy for just cleaning up stuff. I've cleaned the windows with it. You know, give the car a wipe down with it, all that sort of stuff, but it does alright. It's got like a Canuba wax sort of thing in there. I gotta admit it, there was one rookie mistake. I did forget to take one screw out, did rip it out, but as you can see, the old pad was just completely roached. Can't wait to put the new one in. Alright, dash pad is sitting in there. As you can see, the dash is not perfect, but it's pretty good for what this car is, so I've just got to loosely put some screws in there so it all holds it down, and that way I can get all that tucked in down there. We'll go from there. Good morning. I actually just received my Tuff mounts cross member for a Turbo 400 for the HQ here. Let's see what it looks like. Holy crap, guys. I'm actually quite surprised. This cross member is next level. Very, yeah, neatly done. HQWB. There's no such thing as a sedan, but actually no, Statesman. What am I thinking? But yeah, it's really nice bit of gear. Very surprised. I'm just hoping it all fits in neatly and goes in quite well. Very surprised. Not what I was expecting, but I was expecting just to have some box section tube. But this is like totally different. Alright guys, this is the mob I got it from. Feel free to screenshot it if you want to read it. Nothing on the back. It's actually very well built. hopefully it'll get under there. I'll give you a report in a couple of seconds.
Alright, this is about the only angle you're going to get right now. I've slid it up under already a bit. Hopefully got this in the right way. But no bad idea. Looks right to me. I might move that to there if it'll fit. Or it won't. Actually, it looks really good. Really, really good. So, it's not too bad there. Might leave that there. I'll just put the, tuck the clutch cable, not the clutch cable, the shifter cable in between all this shit. Hopefully it sort of sits decent. The only thing I'm not too sure about is how big these holes are for the mount. It's like you need these gigantic fucking washers. I don't know. I'll show you what I mean in a sec. Rightio. Take note of the original size. Take note. It's freaking huge. You can fit your freaking thumb in there. It's gigantic. Alright, what I've got here is a nut and a bolt. Sandwich plate goes through there somewhere. Well, it does feel like a huge gap though. Am I going to need longer bolts? Big possibility, actually. Big possibility. Why is it so fucking far away? Oh, that might work, that one. Don't want to work. Yeah, I'll just have to get a wash up. Alright, folks. Shaky again. I got it in. A bit of fucking around. They're not in the right position because I got the bolts are too short, so I've got to get some new ones of those. And I need to put like a sandwich plate just through here. And under there's bolted in. My gear shift leakage is all tucked up out of the way. Plenty of room. Exhaust goes on. Look how much clearance it's got though. Heaps. Yeah, so that's one part out of the way. I might go live in a minute and see what I can do. She's down. Gearbox is in. Wonder if it clears the not any better. No, it does not. Definitely got to modify that.